How many Filipino products can I find at our Toko store? Bilangin po natin. And if you don't know what a toko is, it's what we call Asian grocery stores po here in the Netherlands. Ano pong Filipino products can you find in yours? Let me know on the comment section. Thanks for watching!